Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to reset on Oppo A3x, that is the brand new one. It is released on the 2nd August 2024 and I got two colors here. That is so beautiful, and this one. So which one do you choose? Very beautiful. So let's go to see how to reset. Okay, we do this because whenever our phone is locked with the passcode, okay, firstly you need to turn off the phone by hold the volume up and the volume down together, okay, and then slide down to turn off the phone and wait for the phone powering off completely. Alright, after that we need to hold the volume down and the power together at the same time. Okay, so let's go down and power. Okay, and then you can release the power after you can see the Oppo logo appear, and keep holding the volume down, okay, until you can see the recovery mode. Just hold it. Okay, right here there are three languages that we can choose, and in this video I chose the English language. Okay, just choose the English language, and then after that there are three options in the recovery mode. What are we going to choose is to format the data. Okay, so we have to choose the first option, right? The first option by pressing the format data and then type the passcode. Type the passcode in the phone. It might be different between your phone and my phone, and my phone is 0631. Okay, 0631, and then begin to format. Okay, and it is working on formatting the data right now, and click OK, and the phone will automatically reboot to the menu, and it may take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes after according to your phone. So that's it for how to reset on Oppo A3x, and everybody please don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell for the future video. Goodbye.